Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Temu security verification. First, clear your cache and cookies if you are using Temu in a web browser. Go to your browser settings, find Privacy and Security, and clear cache and cookies. After that, fully close the browser and open it again. Then, try logging in one more time. Next, switch devices or platforms. If the Temu app keeps showing the puzzle, try logging in using a web browser on your phone or computer. If you are using a browser and it keeps looping, switch to the mobile app instead. This often solves the issue quickly. Another important step is to disable any VPN you may be using. Sometimes security systems flag VPN connections as suspicious. This can trigger extra verification checks. Turn off the VPN, refresh the app, and try again. If you are having trouble with verification codes, do not keep pressing the resend button. Wait for the latest code to arrive and enter that one immediately. Also check your spam or junk folder in your email. Sometimes verification emails are filtered there by mistake. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to stop the verification loop and access your account normally. Thanks for watching.